Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite comfort food dish. It's Cantonese Chow Mein. I used to watch my uncle make this dish all the time, and even better yet, I got to eat it every time he made it. In this version of this dish, we use lo mein noodles. They're a little bit thicker and a little bit chewier than the new style pan-fried noodles. This dish also has chicken, pork, beef, and shrimp with veggies and a great brown sauce that's savory, got a hint of sweetness, and perfect umami flavor. And now let's make it. Let's first make our noodle pancake. Turn up your heat on your dry wok. Make sure your wok is completely dry. If you have a little bit of moisture in the wok, it will stick to the noodles. Add some oil and add your prepared noodles. For this, we're using lo mein noodles. These lo mein noodles are fresh frozen. You'll want to defrost them, blanch them, drain them, and then cool them down. When you start to see it stick a little bit, you'll want to add a little bit of oil just to keep it moving. You'll start to smell a little bit of browning, and that's when you'll want to flip your noodle pancake. In order to get full flavor, you'll want brown edges on the noodles. It gets it just nice and crispy. All right, both sides are nice and brown. We're gonna drain the extra oil. There shouldn't be much. See, there's nothing to drain. We're gonna set that aside just to cool a little bit. While the noodles are cooling, we're gonna make our stir fry that goes on top of the noodles. Heat up your wok and add some water. You'll wanna bring your water to a full boil. Now that your water's at a full boil, we're gonna blanch our vegetables for about a minute and a half. Just until the veggies are tender. Then we'll add our meats. Just to heat up. These are cooked meats. And let's strain our ingredients. To your dry wok, add a little bit of oil, turn on the heat, add your ginger and your garlic. Give that a little stir just to release all the flavors, and add your chicken stock. To that, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, some white pepper, give that a stir and let it come to a boil. Now add in a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water. And add your veggies back in. Give that a toss. And now let's plate. Let's first grab our crispy pan-fried noodle pancake, put that on our plate, and then we're gonna top with our delicious, soothing stir fry. And that's our Cantonese Chow Mein. It is ultimate comfort food to me because it's got that nice noodle pancake that is crispy on the outside and pillowy in the middle. And then it's got that soothing sauce that just kind of soaks into the noodle pancake. And as you're eating, you get every savory bite and all the flavors of the different meats. Sometimes this is called some gum chow mein, sometimes it's called some gum lo mein, but whatever you want to call it, it's that classic, old school, American Chinese goodness. You might ask, what's the difference between lo mein and chow mein? Lo mein is stirred in the wok. The word lo means to stir. Chow means to flip. So this is the ultimate chow mein because it's got one big flip of a pancake. Although this is my ultimate comfort food dish, my recipe for lo mein just might rival this.